So, letter of complaint. Which type is this? Means formal or informal letter? Sure, is it formal? Why it is formal? Why do you think that it is formal? How you have decided that this is a formal letter? Yes, Anshika? Yes, because we are writing to the authorities, not to our relatives, to our friends. And we cannot be very informal. We cannot be informal. We cannot write, hi, hello, how are you? I am good. What's up? No, not like this. Because you have to focus only on the problem. Moreover, it is a complaint letter. So you are angry also. Is it okay? So that is why means complaint letters that they fall in the category of formal letters. Is it okay? So let's start. Let's begin. Sorry, that for the margin, I don't have a scale. Let's start. So, how to start the letter? Formal letter. How you begin? Address of the okay concerned authorities. That's it. Okay, you are saying that yes. Your address. Okay. Then date. Then the letter. Then the subject. Respected sir. Okay, how you start your that letter to the editor? Yes. No, no. I'm just talking about the format. First part. Whose address? Directly the editor, newspaper name. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. 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 So here in complaint letter, first you will begin with your address, sender's address. Is it okay? Got it? Sender's address. In 3 lines. As you are already told, first you will write down the house number, if there is any house number, then area, then lastly the last city. After that, leave one line. After leaving one line, date. Is it okay? Date. Then receiver's address. Now receiver's address means the yes, this line means you have to leave one line. Receiver's address means to the address of the authorities. Okay? If what? Yes, to whom you are sending the letter. Now you are not supposed to write the editor. You can usually you write to the commissioners, to the mayors. Okay. So suppose if you are writing to the police commissioner, you will write the police commissioner, then address. In address you will police station or division number. Usually it is division number, na? Division number, and then comes the city. Is it okay? We will discuss one letter. Done. What after this? Subject. Will yes. Subject. Now, what are you supposed to write in this part? Subject. Title, you can say it is a short description of the main content. Short description of the main content, or you can say the purpose of writing the letter. Make sure that you have to write this part in, yes, in brief. Don't explain. You're not supposed to explain everything. Means don't just copy and paste the question here. Usually students do this. What they do, they copy the question and they write it here. Choose the main topic and then write. Is it okay? Got it? Clear? After this, salutation. Salutation means no dear, respected sir or ma'am. Respected sir or ma'am. You will write any. Yeah, sir or ma'am means respected sir. No, don't use slash. Finish. Respected sir. Done? Clear? So this part you can say is of 1.5. That is the format. Is it okay? Format part, it is for 1.5. If you have seen for letters, marks distribution, it is like 2 plus 3 plus 4, right? So for format, 1.5 this and 0.5 when you end the letter. Or it could be 1 plus 1, beginning and ending. Clear? After this salutation, what comes after this? I hope you have written this. You have written this? So I'm going to erase this. Now comes the content. What? Next comes body of the letter. Body of the letter. Yes, after leaving one line. And from this part, from here, margin. So you will divide this part, body of the letter, into 3 or 4 paragraphs. Is it okay? First paragraph is the introduction. Whose introduction? Whose introduction? Topic's introduction plus your introduction. In this case, your introduction also. Is it okay? Here you will tell that you are the resident of this area and this is the problem that you are facing. This paragraph should not exceed 3 to 4 lines. Means minimum, you can say maximum 4 lines. That's it. It should not exceed. For sheet, I think only 2 lines are enough for that sheet, right? Is it okay? After the introduction, means your introduction and the introduction of the topic, comes the main content. Main content. Main content. Now, this is the part where you have to explain your problem, your complaint, right? So here you can divide this paragraph into 2 parts depending on the points. Try to write 3 to 4 points. Is it okay? So you can divide this paragraph into 2 parts, 2 paragraphs. Is it okay? Got it? After this comes the third and the last part. That is the conclusion, right? Third part is the conclusion. Now conclusion means as you are writing a complaint letter, you will request, right? It is a kind of, here you have to request the authorities to take the action soon. Is it okay? You have to request the authorities to take the action Yes, or to mend their ways so that you can live your lives comfortably. Third paragraph, again 3 to 4 lines, not more than this. So basically, your letter, this part is main, in which you divide your paragraph into 2 parts. Is it okay? How? See, you can write 2 points, 2 points in first, after this second paragraph, and other 2 points in next 2 paragraphs, and then the conclusion. It means the conclusion can be the third paragraph or fourth. It depends how you have written the letter. Got it? You need that. You are complaining. Suppose something is not working properly, so you are complaining. Definitely, you need some strict action. Not only just okay, some time being action. No, you want something very serious. Is it okay? So you have to tell them that you need one. You need quick action. Is it okay? Got it? Clear? Clear? Now, after this, you have to end. And after each paragraph, you have to leave one line to separate the paragraphs. Is it okay? Leave one line to separate the paragraph. Done? So next, how to end. After this conclusion, I am erasing this because it is not visible there. After this conclusion comes thanking you. Yes, after leaving one line. Again, leave one line. It's Y capital. Yours truly, and then name. Now, yours Y capital, T small, no E. E is not used. Be careful. Is it okay? And at last comes the name. Is it okay? Yes, ma'am. So I hope the format is clear. Done? So let's start the discussion of the letter. I have taken the common topic, that is the road safety, the bad conditions of, poor condition of the roads, that you have already done. So it means you have the points to discuss. Is it okay? I am just going to give you the hints, not the complete letter. I will not write the complete letter. I will give you the hints and I will tell you how to begin and end the letter. That's it. Is it okay? So first comes the sender, write down the question. No problem, Vishwas, it is okay. I'm recording this so you can see the recorded lecture if you are facing the problem. So the question is, you are, yes, write down the question. You are Raj. You are Raj of sector F. I'm just writing the address, okay? Of sector F, Hills Colony, Mumbai. You are Raj of sector F, H, anything. F, I think I have written F. So sector F, Hills Colony, Mumbai. Then write down, write a letter to the, write a letter to the commissioner or mayor. You can write anything. Write down mayor or commissioner COMMISSIONER, Commissioner of the Municipal Corporation, Mayor of the Municipal Corporation, complaining about the bad condition of roads in your community. Complaining about the bad condition of roads in your community. Complaining about the bad condition of roads in your community. Done? What? Municipal corporation complaining about the bad condition of roads in your community. First, how to begin? Whose address? Which address? So you will begin with Sector F, Hills Colony, Mumbai. Then leave one line. Now, date. How to write the date? Who will come and write? Okay, Bableen is sitting here, na? She can write. Bableen, come, take the chalk from there and write. Correct? After this, who's receiver? Who is the receiver? Police commissioner? The mayor, if you are not comfortable writing commissioner because next letter is to the police commissioner, so you can write down the mayor. Then Municipal Corporation of Municipal Corporation of Mumbai, and then Mumbai. Done? After this, subject. What should be the subject? Write a letter. Yes, or you can simply write bad condition of roads in our locality. Bad condition of roads in our locality. In our locality. Done? Now, leave one line and respected sir. Respected sir. This is the new format. Okay, earlier we used to put commas, but now. Done? So, in English. Not about, I'm not sure about Hindi and Punjabi, in English. Done? So I'm going to erase this. Okay? I'll erase the first part. Wait a minute. Okay. Now, first introduction. Now, first paragraph, that is the introduction. Okay. So, you have to introduce. How are you supposed to introduce yourself? Hello, I am this and I am doing very well, but the problem is the roads. Is it so? No, you have to be very formal, right? So, first, you will introduce that you are the resident of this area. Start. You can write, I, the resident of dash. Dash means you have to write the place. I'm what? No, not full. I, the resident of Hills Colony. Simple. Don't write complete address because you have already written. No need to write. Okay. So, I, or if you are writing on behalf of others also, of other your mates, you can simply write we, comma, the residents of, then your area. Is it okay? So, I, the resident of area, after writing this, would like to, here you have to write the place. Would like to, or you can simply write, I, the resident of Hills Colony, want to draw. Okay? Would like to draw, yes. What? Where? See, place, why I have written place, here you have to write down the name. Hills Colony, as it is mentioned in the question. Okay? So, I would like to draw your kind attention towards, now here you will introduce your topic, towards the bad or towards the poor, towards the worse, anything, towards the bad, poor, anything, poor condition of the roads in my locality, in my area, in my region, anything. Is it okay? That is in notebook, na? So that's all. This is your first paragraph and it is complete. Now second paragraph. Yes, you will leave one line now, right? Again, begin from here. Main content. In main content, write down 2 to 3 points. I'll just simply write hints. First, because of the poor condition, traffic jams, right? Don't directly write traffic jams are there and this is this. You can write like that the condition of the road are getting, you can say getting worse, right? And because of that, traffic jams. Second, any other point? Accidents because of traffic jam. Accidents because of traffic jam. Accidents. And then vehicles can't move smoothly because of potholes. Vehicles can't move smoothly. Yes, Sadika? Yes, potholes. Yes. Then collection of garbage because of potholes. Garbage gets collected and then that is the open invitation to whom? To insects and also diseases, right? You can form one paragraph for these two problems and for garbage and diseases, another paragraph. Got it? Done? Yes, germs. Yes, 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 Vishwas. Yeah, he has given one more point. During rain, rainwater gets collected and difficult to identify or difficult to find out the potholes. And again, this leads to the accident. Yes. Yes. Because of bad condition of the road. When roads are not proper, you cannot uh, drive properly, right? So that is why, and because of that traffic jam, it leads to traffic jams. Now, after this, how to end? You have to explain. Don't write 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it okay? I have given you the hints only. Yes, you have to write into paragraphs. Divide means for first this paragraph you can write 4 to 5 lines, and for diseases and that 3 to 4 lines. Enough. Got it? And after that comes the conclusion. How to conclude? How to conclude? Now to conclude, you are supposed to request the authorities, right? You have to request the authorities. So write down. You will start with it has been brought to the notice. It has been brought to the notice. This can be the first line also or the concluding line. It is totally up to you. This can be the first line. First line means in the beginning, or this can be the last or the concluding line that it has been brought to the notice of PWD. Why I'm saying PWD? Because yes, this is the department that takes care of the lights and maintenance of. Yes, so it has been brought to the notice of PWD, but all in vain. But all in vain means they have not done anything. Therefore, full stop, therefore, or you can write so. I request you to get the roads repaired. I request you to get the roads repaired, or constructed, without any further delay. Constructed without any further delay. This is one way to end the letter. This is the one way to end the letter. Or you can end it like I. If you have written this, okay. Erase this. Yes. It is your choice how you can make it more interesting and you can say creative. So I accordingly, what happened? Saksham? I accordingly, what is happening? Yes, I accordingly comma, what? See, this is the first way. This is the way you can end your letter, or I'm going to tell you the second way. You have to write only one. Is it okay? So write down, I accordingly request you to kindly take necessary. I accordingly request you to take, or I accordingly request you to kindly take necessary, to kindly take necessary action, to kindly take necessary action, necessary move to mend your ways. Request you to kindly take necessary action or move to mend your ways, to mend your ways, MEND, mend your ways, before it's too late. Necessary action before it's too late. Necessary, take necessary action, or you can write necessary move to mend your ways, to mend your way before it's too late, or so that the people can move, or so that the people can live peacefully the way you want to end. It is totally up to you. Where, so that, or before it's too late, anything. Done? Wait, what? Huh. See, it is up to you how you want to end. I have just given you example. That's it. You are not supposed to learn this. You can write the way you want. Done? After this comes thanking you. Yes. Thanking you. Leave one line. Yours truly, Raj. Wait. Y capital and T small. Y capital, T small, and no E. No comma also. Yes. You can also write sincerely. Is it okay? Got it? Clear? And I will send you one more question, that is complain again about thefts in your society. Yes, you have to write both the letters in your fair notebook. Increasing of thefts. Okay? Thefts.